Hello everybody and friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today video is going to be focused on FUBO TV, or we can say FUBO stock. So FUBO TV, it was trading at 8.47 US dollar with a negativity of 0.94% in previous session. And
So in this video, we are talking about its share prices, analysis, news, updates and other things about the stock and the company. So today's video is very important and interesting. So first of all, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe our channel and also press in a bell icon for the genuine update. It was one of the stock that we covered in our recent videos, and as this was the biggest one in terms of revenue, we thought let's have look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we got to admit this is a pretty interesting company with lots of interesting plan for the future. They want to grow their business significantly and the different ways that they want to achieve it. So I ended the video. Thank you for watching it.